Welcome to Better Living. Let's learn some tips to meditate regularly and make it part of our daily life. Set aside a specific time each day to meditate. Consistency is key, so try to meditate at the same time each day to help make it a habit. Create a comfortable space for yourself. Find a quiet place where you can sit comfortably, and make sure you won't be disturbed during your meditation. Start small. Begin with just a few minutes of meditation per day and gradually increase the length of your meditation sessions as you become more comfortable. Focus on your breath. One of the most common forms of meditation is to simply focus on your breath as it goes in and out. This helps to bring your attention to the present moment. Let go of distractions. It's natural for your mind to wander during meditation. When you notice your mind starting to wander, simply acknowledge the distraction and return your focus to your breath. Be kind to yourself. Meditation can be difficult at first, and it's normal to have trouble focusing. Be patient with yourself and don't be discouraged. Experiment with different techniques. There are many different forms of meditation, so try different techniques to find what works best for you. Some popular techniques include mindfulness meditation, guided meditation, and movement meditation. Incorporate it into your daily routine. Find ways to incorporate mindfulness and focus into your daily routine, whether it be taking a mindful walk, listening to a guided meditation in the morning or evening, or taking deep breaths throughout the day. Don't force it. If at any time you feel uncomfortable or your mind is racing, stop the meditation and take a break. Remember that meditation is a practice, not a goal. It takes time and consistent effort to see the benefits, so don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Thank you for watching. If you found the video helpful, like, follow and subscribe for more videos like this.